A Jeep extended warranty is an inexpensive way to add peace of mind to the purchase of your Jeep brand vehicle. A Jeep is the combination of some of the latest technology and one of the toughest 4x4 systems available. This gives Jeep customers undying confidence in any driving condition. Your Jeep's extended warranty shouldn't be any different. With the quickly rising repair prices of today's vehicles, a warranty is almost always a consideration. With the Mopar Vehicle Protection plan offered by Chrysler Factory Warranty, you can be assured your warranty is factory-backed and will be accepted at any of the over 2,000 Jeep dealers across the country. A Mopar warranty assures you your Jeep will only be fixed with genuine Mopar replacement parts. Other benefits to a Jeep extended warranty include nationwide roadside assistance, available 24 hours a day. This roadside assistance includes flat tire change, towing, low battery jump starts, and even out-of-gas fuel delivery. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes it easy to know you are getting the right warranty for your Jeep. You can also be assured you are going to get the best price. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes paying for your warranty easy with no interest payment options. You can shop for your warranty one of two ways. You can visit ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com and review prices and options on your own. Or call one of our Jeep Extended Warranty specialists and let them help find the right warranty for you and your Jeep. Visit www.ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com or call 855-730-1290.